Hey everybody, this is Drew. Welcome back to my channel, and I am going to do something different, for me anyway. I'm going to build a tank. So this is the 1/48 scale Tamiya M4A3E8 Sherman EZ8. And I haven't built a tank since I was a kid, and I've been wanting to venture into armor, and I thought this might be a pretty good kit to start with. It is 1/48 scale, so it's much smaller than the 1/35 scale that you typically see in armor. But this was not real expensive, and it's supposed to go together really well. And so I'm going to do an inbox review, and we'll take a look and see what's inside here in just a minute. But first, we have here some information about the kit. It just says World War II EZ8 authentically reproduced in a compact 1/48 scale, realistic depictions of HVSS, engine grills, deflector, and more. Assembly type T66 tracks feature one-piece straight sections, and with commander torso figure and 2 European theater markings, and it has metal weights included. So it's interesting. All right, so on the side here, the first marking they depict is from the 5th Armored Division in Germany, April 1945. And you get a paint call out of TS5, which is just olive drab. On the other side, the other marking option included is the 4th Armored Division, Bastion, January 1945. So there we go. And so those are 2 options you get. So let's take a look and see what we have inside. All right, so we have the first sprue. It's individually bagged. The next sprue is individually bagged as well. We have another sprue that's individually bagged. Okay, so the first sprue we're looking at is sprue C, and I'm taking them out of the order that they were packaged, so this is on top. So you see you got some turret, there's a hatch cover, other parts nicely molded. There's the barrel. It's a single piece. Tank commander figure, there's his torso, there's his arms, there's his head, there's his helmet. So it's a little, see some of the detail there. The next sprue are the tools and the 50 cal. Looks like you got an ammo box, a shovel, an axe, some other pry bars, a sledgehammer. Next sprue is sprue B. And there's the upper hull. It's part of the lower hull. There's that one. And this one left in the bag because it's got a piece of twine here. I think that's probably for the tow cable. Put that in the box. You also get some poly caps. So here are some of the tracks. Wheels. So those of you who build armor, let me know if this looks good, because this is all new to me. The wheels look nicely detailed inside. Tracks look nice. Here's the other sprue. Same thing, you got the more tracks and other wheels. So that sprue is identical. Here's our instruction sheet. We'll start with the lower hole. We got our metal parts. They're glued to the bottom of the box. So I can get those out. So here's the metal weights. Whoop. I guess it's just to make it, you know, heavy, feel heavy, since it's a tank. So you can just super glue those in the bottom. So there, and go to the transmission cover. Get your rear panels. Step 5, you got the lower hole. With your drive sprockets. You got paint call outs as well. In part 6, have again finishing up or attaching the wheels. Okay, here's our bogies. Attach the bogies to that. And then step 9, here we have our tracks. And it looks like each side you have two single pieces, and then you have these little pieces of the track. Hopefully that's not too complicated. But reviews I've seen, it goes together really well, so you just follow the instructions. Okay. And then part 10 is upper hull underside. Put those there. And then step 11 is the fenders. Step 12, finish up the upper hull. And put your little tools on. And step 14. Just continue putting on these spare tracks and parts, and do your turret, put the gun on. Of course, your machine gun, your figure, you got the tow cable. That's what the string is for, and put it all together. And that's it. All right. Looks pretty fun. So here are the decals. They look good. I think you got the black stars for the one particular tank that's was that Bastion, and the white stars is for the other 5th Armored Division in Germany. All right, guys, that looks like a lot of fun. So I'm going to get started on it, and depending on how long it takes, I might actually end up doing one full build video. If not, I'll break it up into parts. But I appreciate everybody watching. Subscribe and hit the notification bell if you like to get updates on when I post videos. Happy modeling, and we'll see you soon on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.